Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying which base your log currently uses and which base you want. Once you know both bases, find the calculator's log and ln keys. Most scientific calculators only offer log base 10 and ln base e. Enter the numeric argument now so you don't interrupt flow. For example, type 8 or 0. 5. From here, you'll apply the change of base formula, because calculators compute ln and log directly, and the ratio converts bases precisely. Now compute using the change of base formula. First press ln or log, then the argument a, close parentheses, press divided by, then ln or log and the base b and close parentheses. This ensures correct order. For example, ln 8 divided by ln 2. Make sure to use the same function for both numerator and denominator so the ratio is valid. Mixing functions is unnecessary. If you need extra precision, use more display digits or switch to scientific notation. This preserves accuracy for very large or small values. Finally, press equals to get your converted log value and interpret the result. Once done, round to the required precision or report the exact value when it's an integer or simple fraction. To verify, repeat using the other function, log instead of ln, and compare. Identical answers confirm correct entry. If the number looks off, make sure parentheses were placed correctly, the correct base was entered, and the calculator isn't in degree/complex mode. Those settings can alter results unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.